To convert web page into a PDF, let's just quickly do a search of the web page you want to convert into a PDF. I'm going to open this website and I want to have this date in my document. So what I'm going to do is to do Ctrl P on my keyboard, Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you're going to do Command P. And I have this PDF. You can scroll and see that it has copied what is on this page, and you're going to hit on print to save this PDF. I'm going to quickly just save it. I will hit on save and my PDF has saved. And if I want to show you the PDF we just saved now, you see the PDF has opened beautifully in this place. You can see that we have our PDF. We have this important dates we want to be saved in this PDF.